Hi! For today's video is how to optimize YouTube video titles. Writing good YouTube titles is a tricky task. Just when you click, you have the right one, you wonder, is it appealing enough? Will the title resonate with people and make them click? Good news is you don't have to struggle with the YouTube video titles anymore. Instead of rewriting to no end, focus on what makes a good headline. Strong keywords, relatable language, emotion. So use words where audience can relate to. Imagine going out to dinner with one of your YouTube viewers. Chances are the two of you will talk about what you have in common during the meal. You might be nervous at first, but you'll eventually hit a groove where you're using shared lingers. That stands for your similarities. Stay under YouTube title character limit. Before settling on a headline, make sure it's the right YouTube video title length. It's easy to fall in love with the words you've written only to realize you have too many. On YouTube, you have a title limit of 100 characters. But even that's too long, the best titles are around 60 to 70 characters and display fully on most devices. Anything longer will show up as a truncated title. Avoid YouTube clickbait titles. It's true, sensational headlines attract viewers out of sheer curiosity. Even if something looks too good to be true, viewers will investigate just to be sure. Use the right keywords for YouTube search. Video SEO is everything on YouTube. If people aren't searching for the kind of videos you made, getting views as a new creator is tough. Use numbers when necessary. Adding numbers to headlines is an old marketing rule that still works today. According to an eye-tracking study from 2007, people pay special attention to numbers. You can add innovative words to your title. Did you know that 95% of the time people decide to make purchases with their subconscious mind? Choosing to watch a YouTube video doesn't cost money, but it's still a subconscious decision by most people. Create a harmony between the title and the thumbnail. Create harmony. When people create YouTube video titles, the thumbnail is typically an afterthought that's occasionally make mistake. No title exists in a vacuum because the headline appears beside the preview image on YouTube. So it's wise to consider how the two combine to attract viewers. Next is add hashtags in your YouTube video title. You want hashtags in the title because they help viewers find similar content to what they're watching. If your title has a hashtag like #GrowYourChannel, your content could show up on the hashtag page for channel growth. Write wholesome video titles for YouTube. Lastly, be mindful of the community guidelines when you're naming YouTube videos. Steer clear of profanity, hate speech, and misinformation that harms in the real world. Writing a good YouTube title takes patience. It won't happen overnight, but with regular practice, you can write titles so alluring that people have to click. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!